Hello, I'm Sophie from Winchester Science Centre, and in today's Science Sizzle we are going to be making our own balloon cars and giving them a bit of a race at the end. So let's get building. Now you can make your balloon car as complicated and as fancy as you like, but we're just going to stick with a nice simple design. Now this cardboard is going to be the base, and what we need now is some straws to help with our wheels. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut a straw in half, and then we're going to stick each half on either end of our cardboard like so, and then we're going to sellotape those to the cardboard. Then once you've done that, if you grab two sticks and you're going to place them through the straw, so it means that our wheels can turn. Now next we need to make our wheels. Now yeah, you can use anything for your wheels. You can use CD-ROMs, you can use bottle caps, you can also even just cut out circular shapes for your wheels, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to draw around these plastic cups and then I'm going to cut out those shapes. And I'm going to use those as my wheels. So I'm going to stick them on the end of my stick and stick them through the straw. So now I've got the base of my car. You can also add some blue tack to the wheels just to make sure they don't wobble as your car moves. Now we need to add in our balloon, and this is how we're going to power our car. So what you need is another straw, and you're going to tape your balloon to your straw just like this. And then you're going to attach this straw to our cardboard. As you can see, we have made a really simple balloon car, but you can make it as complicated or as creative as you like, and you can use many different types of materials. You can investigate to see what makes the best wheels for your balloon car. And as always, we'd love to see where your curiosity took you.